baseline represents the concept of capturing your original estimate for the project. By setting the baseline, you can track progress and compare this with the original estimate. This enables you to view the actual results of the project and track progress. It also allows you to measure variance, for example, to view the tasks that started earlier or later than planned, or those that cost more or less than their original budget. And finally, it allows you to set expectations for your project stakeholders. In this short video, my example will show you how to baseline your plan and view differences between the current plan and the baseline plan. Here's the familiar Gantt chart view. We can see the finish dates column, and next to it, the baseline finish date column. The finish variance column will display any differences between the current plan finish date and the baseline plan. The baseline finish column is displaying NA as the baseline has not been set. In this example, if the baseline finish and finish dates are different, a red indicator is displayed. I've configured a field using the formula capabilities and called it baseline finish RAG. We'll see how this changes after setting the baseline. To set the baseline, select the Project tab and then select Set Baseline from the menu bar. There are various options available. I can set up to 11 baselines. I can set an interim plan that snapshots the start and finish dates. And I can decide whether to baseline the whole project or just selected tasks. This is something you might do if you have to change the project and need to re-baseline some of the tasks. If I click OK, I'll baseline the project. You can now see that the baseline finish cells have been populated, and because I've set up a formula in a text field called baseline finish RAG, everything is green because baseline finish equals the current finish date. Let's see what happens when a planned finish date changes. I'll change the duration of the secure core resource task, and we can see that the baseline finish and planned finish date are no longer equal. The first thing we can see is that the finish variance has changed. It's now at 4 days. Microsoft Project has also highlighted the impact of change. In this example, the light blue cell highlighting indicates that the finish date has changed due to the impact of dependencies on downstream tasks. The indicator I've configured has changed from green to red because the baseline finish and finish date are no longer equal. If you don't have an indicator, there are two built-in views that display any variances, the finish variance column and a view called Tracking Gantt. The quickest way to access this view is to click on the Gantt chart icon in the Task tab. The grey bars represent the baseline, while the orange bars represent the current plan. As you can see, Secure Core Resource on line 5 is taking longer than expected, and due to the dependencies in the project, this has had a knock-on effect to the remainder of the project. If you hadn't taken a baseline of your plan, and that task had slipped, it would not have been possible to easily view the impact of change on the schedule and manage and report on that change. This is just one of the benefits of using Microsoft Project to manage your project schedule. If you're interested in learning more about Microsoft Project, please visit microsoft.com/project, where you can trial Microsoft Project at no cost. Click on the Learn More button to download a trial.